Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. We learned how to delete Windows Update files in Windows 10, or I would say how to delete Windows Update files on Windows 11. The procedure, the steps will remain same. So here you need to search File Explorer, or if you can open it by clicking, that's fine. So once the File Explorer is opened, you need to go to this PC or my computer. Now in this PC, you will find the C drive where your operating system is installed. So since my operating system is in C drive, so I will click on C drive. Now once you're here, you will find a folder named Windows, and I need to double click on that. Once you do a double click on this, there will be many folders, and here we are looking for a folder named software distribution, like that. And you just need to do a double click, and here you will find the location, whatever the updates which has been already installed, and you no longer need those files, so you can simply go to downloads and you can remove whatever is there in that download section. Because once you download it, once you have successfully installed all the updates, you no longer require these. So in this manner, you will be able to free up a lot of space, and your if you have any Windows update issues, that will also be fixed. So this is how you can, delete Windows update files on Windows 10 and Windows 11. I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. And if yes, please hit the like and subscribe. And please leave a comment if you have successfully done that. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.